Could you explain a bit more of that dad joke? That's pretty. Explain in a bit more of that dad joke. I don't get it. What? So, I guess you have to see. Have you seen those movies? Have you seen? Uh, if you haven't seen, what's it called? The Incredibles, then you won't get the joke. And also, VeggieTales. Larry the Cucumber is from VeggieTales, a kid's show that I made every excuse that I knew how to make in order to watch it in the 90s because I was part of the children's ministry, so I have to watch VeggieTales. It's part of my duty. I have to watch this kids show so I can uh, be there for the kids. It was hilarious back in the day, and then it changed ownership. It was not as funny as it used to be. Sadness. The original the original song is "Where is my hairbrush? Oh, where is my hairbrush? Oh, where is my hairbrush? Oh, where is my hairbrush?" And it's funny because he's a cucumber and he doesn't have any hair. So Bob the tomato says, "Well, you didn't need it and you hardly ever use it, so I gave it to the peach because he has hair." And then the peach comes in with a huge cloth, like a huge, like Elvis, like tall, tall hair, very tall hair. And he says, "Thanks for the hairbrush." So now, oh, you've seen all of them? Yes. But have you seen The Incredibles? So if you haven't seen The Incredibles, I may have spoiled a little bit for you. I may have spoiled one of the funniest moments in The Incredibles. I just assume that everyone has seen it. I just assume it's been out since early 2000s, I think. There are many movies that I have not seen. It took me a very long time for me to see The Sound of Music, and every time I told people that I've never seen The Sound of Music, they were like, "What? You've never seen The Sound of Music? Arrest this man!" It's like very, very important to see The Sound of Music. I've seen them, but didn't enjoy it much. And again, I don't remember that much of it. You haven't? Well, I have seen The Sound of Music now, but before then, I got that look like I was a criminal, like I need to be locked up for never seeing The Sound of Music. I have only seen it once. What? I'm not a big movie guy. Uh, there are very few movies that I have seen. There are movies that I've seen multiple times, again and again and again. Uh, I've seen most of the Marvel movies. I've seen, the Star Wars movies. So if it's not Marvel or Star Wars, I've probably not seen it. I've seen. Oh, I finally got caught up on The Chosen. And I am aware that The Chosen is going to premiere very soon. I think it's this week. I will not be spending money to watch The Chosen because, you know, math. I will be waiting. I will wait for it to come to the small screen because it will be just as impactful on the small screen with its biblical goodness on the small screen. I remember you like comics and stuff, that superheroes did you enjoy? Well, now that you ask, movies aren't really my thing either. So, my favorite superhero would have to be Sam Wilson, who used to be called the Falcon and has taken on the mantle of Captain America. And now there's two Captain Americas. Didn't mean to spoil anything. In the book, there are two Captain Americas. There's Steve Rogers, and then there's Sam. I just blanked on his last name. My favorite superhero, Sam Wilson. There is Steve Rogers and Sam Wilson, and they're fighting crime together now as one. Well, not as one, but as one team. Captains America. Captain America and Captain America. Hey, have you met Captain America? It's like it's a beauty pageant or something. There he is. Captain America. He's a mood. I haven't watched. You haven't watched The Chosen? Arrest this man! Seriously though, you must. The first few 3 episodes that I saw of The Chosen, I was not impressed. But then after the 4th episode, that's when I was hooked. So you have to wait. If you're not impressed after 3 episodes, hang in there. Some people were impressed after the first episode. That was not me. And then when I went back and watched the first episode again, then it's like, okay, I see. I see what I missed. I see the little Easter eggs that I missed.